Welcome to the course Ethical Hacking. My name is Florian Dalwigk and I'm delighted to guide you through this exciting and challenging journey into the world of cybersecurity. I hold a degree in computer science and began my career in a government security agency in Germany. Over time, I transitioned into academia and publishing, authoring several books on programming, hacking, and digital security. In addition to my teaching and writing, I run a YouTube channel dedicated to IT forensics, hacking, and artificial intelligence, where I explore real-world case studies, demonstrate tools and techniques, and share perspectives on current developments in the digital threat landscape. Based in Munich, Germany, I engage with an international community of learners, researchers, and practitioners in the field of cybersecurity. This course is designed to introduce you not only to the technical aspects of hacking, but also to the frameworks that define the responsibilities of an ethical hacker. We will begin by discussing the foundations, what it means to be an ethical hacker, and why the role of a penetration tester is essential for protecting organizations against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Understanding this ethical and legal dimension will serve as a compass throughout the course, ensuring that the techniques you acquire are applied responsibly. From there, we will move on to the practical side of hacking. You will learn how to create your own penetration testing laboratory using Kali Linux and VirtualBox, providing you with a safe environment to practice attacks and defenses. Step by step, you will explore common vulnerabilities in web applications and servers, gaining the skills to both identify and exploit them. We will work with a range of tools used by professionals in the field and also examine how artificial intelligence is increasingly shaping the future of cyber attacks and defense strategies. You will study the techniques attackers use to manipulate human behavior and learn how to apply and defend against these methods. By combining technical hacking skills with an understanding of the human factor, you will acquire a holistic perspective on cybersecurity. Throughout the course, you will not only perform attacks, but also practice the professional side of penetration testing. That means documenting your findings in a structured pentest report. Being able to communicate technical results clearly, precisely, and in a business-relevant format is just as important as the technical work itself. The course culminates in a hands-on hacking challenge. Here you will apply everything you have learned in a simulated real-world scenario. Your task will be to analyze a target system, identify weaknesses, exploit vulnerabilities, and finally compile your results into a comprehensive penetration test report. This final project is not only a way to consolidate your learning, but also a tangible outcome you can showcase to potential employers, demonstrating both your technical expertise and your ability to communicate it effectively. By the end of this course, you will have developed a solid foundation in ethical hacking, gained practical skills with professional tools, and understood the critical balance between offensive techniques and ethical responsibility. If you have any questions, you can contact me anytime. I'm teaching this course for the first time as part of the ICT Summer School at Metropolia University of Applied Sciences in Helsinki, Finland. If you are interested in a free lecture from me at your university, anywhere in the world, feel free to contact me. At Karlsruhe University of Applied Sciences, I'm already giving this lecture for the third time this semester, and the students have given very positive feedback so far. I wish you a lot of fun with the course.